What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. It's another episode in search of some DB gains. So Base at Nation, again, it's a video for you guys. So be sure to subscribe down below if you like these kind of videos. Well, I do a lot of car stuff, so you can find a very variable kind of content about cars on my channel. I do exotics, car audio, just modding my cars. Today, searching for some DBs. I got my port roundovers laying here, which I'm gonna be replacing the old ones with. Gonna tape them all in so they are nice and glide the air easily. And as a little extra I wanna try, I'm gonna be removing the back of my seating. Well, I'm gonna look for a quick disconnect. I already anticipated it when I was building the car, so I already left the plastics off, which allow me to reach these small pins, and because they are foldable seats, it should be easy to get out. But first, let me get the Golf out, give me some extra space inside of the garage. That's that. Now I got the tools out, made them a bit more reachable. First things first, I'm gonna start mounting the roundovers, gonna grab my tools and we're gonna dive inside of the car.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, this a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves.
Part 1 is done. Really happy how it turned out. Well, next part will be trying to get the seats out, which for I need to remove these clips. There's one on each side of the seat, but as you can see here, I do not have a lot of space. And the clip is right in between there. Luckily, I don't have the biggest hands in the world, so I'm gonna try to get to it and see if I can remove the back.
To expand now, you don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
So all in all, that went a lot more easy than I thought it would be. As you can see now, with this seat removed, this corner is fully opened up, so the air can flow nicely. In contrary to the other side, where the seat is still in front, partially in front of the port, which restricts flow and whatnot. I'm not gonna be taking the driver's side seat out right now. I just wanted to test one seat on how easy it was to get it out. Well, that was pretty easy, so I'm gonna try and fit the back side in again right now and see how easy that goes. Most times taking things apart is a lot easier than putting them back together, but let's go ahead and put that to the test.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my...
Seat is back in. Well, the back of the seat is back in. The bottom part never left. It went a lot easier than I thought it would be, so it's probably I'm gonna try out at the car show with removing the backing of both seats, see what it does. Did a little test. Well, it moves more air because more air can get through, but probably the frequency will also have changed, so we'll need to test that out again. Pretty happy with the feeling I get of it. Gonna get the car back inside, and that will bring us to the end of this video. I think it will be a short one, but as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. For now, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.